Okay, hey. We are here with Grandma Tanner. I should have posted, let me fix my phone here. Fix everything. Turn my volume down in case I get a phone call or notification or anything. Okay, there we go. Sorry about that, everyone. No one's watching, so we're good. Now somebody's watching. We're back at it. We opened up Monday. So Grandma Tanner, she's ready to start cooking every Thursday at 3 o'clock, give or take a few minutes. Because, you know, either I'm late or Grandma's late or they can't find one or the other or whatever. It is what it is. We're busy. At least we're not hiding and sleeping. So Grandma Tanner today is going to cook some fruit crisp. She did an apple one, I think, earlier, and now she's going to do a peach one. And we sell this crisp mix in the farm market. So Grandma Tanner, take it away.
Okay, it's a nice little bag. Comes like that, and it has all these ingredients. So a junior high kid could do this, but I made the apple this morning, and I used this nice little slicer peeler. So now I'm going to make one with peaches, and I'm going to, since we have so many beautiful blueberries, I'm just going to put a couple blueberries on there. It doesn't say anything about blueberries, it says peach and apple, but I think this will be real good. Now, I was going to show you about these peaches. This was our first shipment, and we did get a second shipment in yesterday.
The second one's the Red Havens.
The Red Havens, yes. Now, these are a little bit clingish. They're just about all gone, but I cut it. And then, even with your Red Haven, you just twist it like that. And then you can pop this seed out on this side. Takes a little bit to pop it out, but the first side always comes off real nice. And then you just peel it and slice it and put it in there. Okay, the recipe calls for a half a stick of butter, which I melted already. And then you just take this packet of, it's got white sugar, brown sugar, oatmeal, cinnamon, and yeah, that's it. Brown sugar, white sugar, a little bit of flour.
So you just slice up your fruit and put it in your dish. What size is that?
It's a 9 by 9. Now, when I melted the butter, this thing had a little butter left. So you can just take that and just wipe it around in there. If you don't have this pan, which you can use either one. It doesn't say anything about putting any kind of a ham or anything in the bottom. So this is kind of dry, and you just keep mixing till you get it real nice and crumbly.
You mix that with how much butter?
A half a stick. 1/2 stick butter is all. The only ingredient you have to have, except for the peaches and the apples or the blueberries or whatever you want to kind of fruit. One of our employees came in and she said she's got a lot of blackberries. And I said, I don't know why blackberries wouldn't be good for this. So you just have to keep mixing because it gets a little
make
crumbly.
It crumbly. Made with love. Nope, she didn't lick her finger.
No, I don't like my fingers.
Made with love. I licked the spoon and kept on mixing. So Grandma Tanner. Oh, yep, go ahead.
So this is just about mixed real good. You want it all to be moist. And then I have preheated my oven to 350. And then it takes 35 or 35 minutes. Yeah, at 350. So I think one of your daughters, sons, junior high, this would be a great dessert.
Probably have even a younger kid.
Oh yeah, 10-year-old, as long as they 8-year-old.
So you just crumble it, putting it on top.
You just crumble it and you just put it on top. Kind of get it on there even, so you just put a little bit at a time. You don't want to dump it the whole thing in there. And I think this will be very attractive with the blueberries coming up through them. And then I want to tell you about our peach and pancake breakfast that we're having. We're serving Saturday from 8 to 12.
Well, it's a little different this year than last year. We have blueberry pancakes with peaches.
Yes.
This first Saturday.
So if you want to, you can either have just plain peaches or you can have blueberries in the
pancakes.
Right?
Yeah, you can get just we'll have pancakes with and without blueberries.
And blueberries are so healthy for you that diabetics can eat them without any problem.
That's what my friend, she said she came out and got a whole 10-pound box.
Yes, and they're so easy. Sometimes you don't even have to wash them. If you do wash them, then lay them out on a towel or something so they dry, and then put them in a Ziploc bag so they're not all froze together, and then in a quart bag or a gallon bag, and then you can just take out whatever you want. So now I'll place this in the oven. Here's what the apple one looks like. And I used this early gold apples. That's the only apple we're picking right now. Another blueberry item. It's brand new, and one of our cousins from Germany had this coffee this morning, and she said, "Man, is that ever good? A blueberry cobbler coffee."
That's what Karen said, that it was real good.
And then if you don't want to buy a half a pound, or is that a pound package? Then you just get a
half a pound.
Enough here for one pot. So come out Saturday, and we will have plenty of peaches and blueberries.
So Grandma has some visitors right now. Who do you have visiting you?
Well, they are actually distant relative, second or third cousin, I can't quite figure it out, from Germany. We met them a year ago this past April when we were over there, because we knew we had Wiegand relatives in Germany. So we looked them up on Facebook and found them, and we had dinner on the Rhine River with them.
Now they've come and visiting us.
Yep, and we're having a Wiegand reunion on Sunday, and then a Tanner reunion the next Sunday. So we have our Bachmeyer relatives coming also. We have a daughter and her husband and 4 children.
Yep, so they're all coming. So we have 2 sets of 2 different families here from Germany coming and going this next few weeks. But all right, well, this was the Wildwood Apple or Peach Crisp Mix. Grandma Tanner made an apple one earlier today, and I can't wait to get a little bite of that with some ice cream on it. And then she's going to do peach and blueberry crisp. And
I'll stick that in the oven, and it takes 35 minutes.
And the kids will be eating that up probably tomorrow. Be too late today. But all right, well, we'll see you guys all. Grandma Tanner will be here next week, 3 o'clock, give or take a few minutes. We're not real timely all the time, so thank you. Jolene says hello, glad you're back. Amber Lynn, Grandma Tanner, one of your #1 fans from Eureka, says hi. So
great.
We will see you guys next week. Any idea what you're making yet?
Not sure, but I want to stick with blueberry or either peach.
So we'll think of,
items and some of the things that we're selling here in the market.
so all right, we'll see you guys next week. Thank you.